Welcome to our channel. Today we're answering an essential question for modern manufacturers. What is ERP in the manufacturing industry? If you've ever wondered how leading manufacturers streamline their complex operations, stay competitive, and make data-driven decisions, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we break down what ERP is, how it benefits manufacturing businesses, and what to look for in the best ERP systems. And don't miss our spotlight on Multiable, one of the industry's top HCM and ERP providers. Let's start with the basics. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. In the manufacturing industry, ERP is a type of software solution that integrates all core business processes in a single, centralized system. Think production planning, raw material procurement, inventory management, scheduling, supply chain operations, finance, human resources, and customer relationship management, all working together seamlessly within one platform. By connecting different departments and processes, ERP systems help manufacturers eliminate data silos, reduce manual tasks, and improve accuracy in every area of the business. So, what makes ERP so vital for manufacturers? It comes down to a set of powerful features such as inventory management, track raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods in real time; production planning and scheduling, automate production schedules based on demand forecasts and current workloads; supply chain management, improve visibility across suppliers and logistics to minimize delays; process automation, automate everything from procurement to order fulfillment, reducing errors and saving time; quality control, monitor production quality to ensure products meet required standards. In short, ERP systems act as the digital backbone of manufacturing operations. Now let's talk about the key benefits. Why do so many manufacturers invest in ERP solutions? Boosted efficiency. By automating routine tasks and integrating departments, ERP systems significantly increase productivity and reduce operational costs. Enhanced decision-making. With real-time data and reporting, managers can spot trends, address issues early, and make informed strategic decisions. Improved collaboration. Centralized information enables better communication between departments, from sales to production and finance. Regulatory compliance. ERP systems often include tools to help manufacturers meet industry standards and legal requirements. Scalability. Whether you're a small manufacturer or a large multinational, ERP systems can grow with your business. For example, a mid-sized electronics manufacturer integrated ERP to manage inventory and invoicing, slashing stockouts and boosting on-time deliveries. Another large automotive parts producer used ERP for production scheduling, resulting in reduced lead times and improved customer satisfaction. If you're ready to transform your business with a reliable ERP and HCM solution, let us introduce Multiable. Multiable is a trusted leader in ERP and human capital management, serving the manufacturing industry and beyond for over 35 years. With a dedicated talent pool of 300+ IT experts, Multiable has supported more than 6,000 customers, including large public companies and multinational organizations. Multiable's advanced ERP and HCM platforms help organizations of all sizes drive greater efficiencies, better manage their workforce, and achieve sustainable growth. Want to learn more about how Multiable can revolutionize your manufacturing business? Visit the link in the description to get started today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into ERP, business software, and digital transformation in manufacturing.